students, we have a surprise for you all. Are you all ready for it?
ඔයගොල්ලෝ කැමතිද? එන්න අපිත් එක්ක යන්න.
We are hosting KidZone 2023, a fun-filled celebration for the students of the Depanama Dharmapala Primary School.
I would like to start by wishing everyone here a happy Thanksgiving, which is being celebrated in the U.S. today. To our clients who have supported Perituza and fueled our growth, we express our gratitude to them today and every day.
Today's celebration is so amazing because these students are genuinely enjoying themselves and they'll be able to look back upon today with such fond memories. One of the top reasons I applied to Perituza was their commitment to CSR, and not only do they serve the community, they have fun while doing it. It's a win-win for everyone.
KidZone!